What's the greater Phoenix housing market going to look like in 2022? Well, we just got in all the numbers from 2021, and there are some trends happening in the Phoenix area market that might surprise you. I'm Jordan Page, and today we're going to dive deep into the numbers and data behind what's actually happening in our market so you know what moves to make right now. All right, guys, so if you've been watching the news at all, you know our market is very, very hot. However, the news usually lags a few months behind the latest numbers and often report on national figures, not local news. So just like in all of my market updates, I'm only going to be talking about information that is fresh and local to our market. So with that in mind, let's jump into it. Quick recap of last year. We began 2021 in a pandemic with record-setting home sales numbers, and we ended 21, well, exactly the same way. 2020 has set some records, but 2021 smashed them. And in fact, last year went down as the best year on record for the greater Phoenix real estate market. This time last year, people were freaking out about increasing home prices and the relative lack of homes for sale. Little did we know, it was only the beginning. Right now, the number of listings for sale is actually down over 11% since this time last year. And as a result, average sales prices are up over 30%. As of this recording, the average home in the Valley will run you around $528,000, nearly $100,000 more than last year's average price of $430K. Now, as prices rise, demand falls. And for that reason and inflation, the sales rates have slowed down roughly 8.8% year over year. But considering last year was a record-smashing year, which broke records that were set just the year before, an 8.8% drop is nowhere close to turning the tide away from this red-hot seller's market. Sales figures and new listings are known as leading indicators in the real estate market, and home prices are what we call a lagging indicator, and they can trail the leading indicators by up to 15 months. So here's what all these numbers mean. What's happening now in the inventory and sales numbers will affect us down the line, but not drastically and not for a while, meaning 2022 should be a very, very strong year for real estate. Therefore, I expect to see prices move even higher during the next 11 months or so, with a gradual leveling off to meet the declining demand around New Year's 2023. And I want to say again, there's absolutely nothing indicating a crash. That shouldn't even be on your mind at all. In fact, my prediction is that home prices should see appreciation between 10 and 15% this year, which is a lot less than last year, but still fantastic overall. Think about how good the market was in 2018 and 2019. That's most likely what we're slowing back to eventually. And as prices rise and people keep moving to our valley, expect a flood of demand for rentals, in particular, single-family homes and higher-end apartments. My advice would be to buy as many investment properties as possible in reliably desirable areas of the valley, like Scottsdale, for example. Those are going to make great long-term holds and provide increasing cash flow as the valley grows. As for me, I'm going to keep giving you updates on the market every single month so you always stay in the know. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe so I can keep making them for you. And I'll see you next time.